In this fully animated lecture, I will teach you about acid rain and its effects on our environment. Acid rain is rain that's acidic. But why is it acidic? It's due to pollution in the atmosphere. Pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides that mix with rainwater, leading to acidic rain. Normal rain has a pH around 5.6, but acid rain can have a lower pH, around 4. These pollutants enter the air through burning fossil fuels, coal power plants, and vehicles, which release sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. These gases react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. How acid rain affects our environment? Acid rain affects soil and rocks that leaches heavy metals, like aluminium, mercury, and chromium. These heavy metals, when discharged into rivers and lakes, posing significant environmental hazards. This contaminated water is used by humans for drinking, and the metals can accumulate in the body to toxic levels. Aquatic life also suffers due to the high concentration of these metals in the water. High levels of aluminum ions clog fish gills, causing suffocation, and ultimately the death of fish. Acid rain also attacks the calcium carbonate in marble and limestone, leading to dullness and erosion of buildings and monuments. Acid rain increases the acidity of soil. Many crops and plants cannot grow properly in such soil. It leads to an increase in toxic metals in the soil that poison the vegetation. Even old trees are affected due to soil acidity. Their growth is retarded. Acid rain directly damages the leaves of trees and plants, limiting their growth. Depending on the severity of damage, plants' growth can be hampered, reducing their capability to resist cold or diseases. Ultimately, many plants die due to these effects. How can we prevent acid rain? Here are some key actions we can take. Switch to renewable energy sources, like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. These options produce little to no harmful emissions. Walk, bike, or use public transportation whenever you can. Advocate for stricter laws on emissions from factories and power plants. Support policies promoting clean air. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and help improve air quality. Get involved in local tree planting initiatives. Share what you know about acid rain and its impacts. The more people understand the issue, the more action we can take together. I hope this video helped you. If you find it interesting, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more educational content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.